Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Fairfield, and we got a CSX freight close to like 12:09. We'll be going a little bit slow here because after the previous video, my friend stopped because Amtrak Lakeshore 48 is still at the station and stuff. But it's getting out by now probably because I heard it saying approach medium to get out. So I guess it's almost out of there to get a little bit cleared up, and my friend starts to get into the station, and then this guy's falling behind. 63 was the friend, that's why he's going about slow here, because he knows the Syracuse is packed. Was the 2 Amtraks, and any other freights and stuff. He seems to be moving along a little bit though. It was a friendly crew, and nice horn. I think that's a K5HL, or some kind of K5HL or some type of horn. I heard it before on another train as well, so I sort of know what kind of horn that is a little bit.